If your knees feel like grinding stones, your lower back aches upon rising, and your ankles swell up into heavy, throbbing pillars by every late afternoon, I want you to stop whatever you are doing and listen very closely. For decades, the medical establishment and popular culture have fed us a very convenient, very lazy narrative. They tell us that stiffness, joint degradation, and lower leg swelling are simply the unpreventable tax we must pay for getting older. They look at a stiff knee or a swollen ankle, hand you a bottle of temporary pain relievers, and shrug off the symptoms as normal wear and tear. I am here to tell you today that this narrative is entirely false. It is a biological lie. Your body is not simply wearing out like an old pair of shoes because of the calendar pages turning. Instead, your joints, tendons, ligaments, and lower leg microvasculature are experiencing an internal structural collapse driven by a catastrophic, cascading drop in one single vital protein, collagen. Think of collagen as the architectural scaffolding of your entire physical form. It is a dense, tough, elastic protein matrix that acts like high-tensile steel cables holding your bones together, cushioning your cartilage against friction, giving your skin resilience, and keeping fluid circulating smoothly through your lower extremities without pulling. When you are young, your body manufactures an abundance of this protein effortlessly. But by the time you cross the threshold into your mid-60s, your internal biological factories are producing less than half of the collagen they once did. When that internal scaffolding begins to thin out and fray, the consequences are immediate and brutal. Without adequate collagen support, your joint cartilage loses its shock-absorbing capacity. Bone grinds against bone, triggering microtraumas. Your body responds to these microtraumas with chronic, low-grade systemic inflammation. This inflammation compromises your lymphatic, drainage, and blood vessel walls, causing fluid to leak out into the surrounding tissues of your lower legs, resulting in that heavy, stubborn swelling that refuses to go away overnight. But here is the most exciting, empowering truth supported by modern physiological science. You can reverse this structural decline. Clinical research now proves that specific, targeted dietary interventions can rapidly accelerate your body's internal repair mechanisms, soothe chronic inflammation, and drastically reduce leg swelling, often showing noticeable improvements in mobility and comfort in as little as 8 weeks. In this comprehensive, deep dive guide, we are breaking down the top 10 collagen-rich foods and sources, ranked meticulously from the least potent to the absolute, undisputed #1 powerhouse on Earth. Stay with me through every single item, because the food sitting at the very top spot contains a unique structural profile that beats almost everything else in existence. Before we dive into number 10, drop your age in the comments right now. I am reading every single response. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have a surprising entry that most people completely misunderstand: aloe vera. Now, when the average person hears the words aloe vera, their mind instantly flashes to a bright green, sticky gel slathered across sunburned shoulders on a blistering hot summer afternoon. We view aloe as an external topical remedy, something cooling to soothe a localized burn or a minor skin scrape. But true, systemic therapeutic benefits happen when you look past the skin-deep marketing and understand how aloe works from the inside out. Recent clinical trials, including a notable and heavily cited 2020 study published in the Journal of Dermatology, have demonstrated that taking a controlled, microdose of food-grade aloe vera can dramatically stimulate cellular structures known as fibroblasts. Fibroblasts are the specialized, powerhouse cells located deep inside your skin's middle layer, the dermis, which are directly responsible for manufacturing fresh collagen and elastin fibers. You might be sitting there thinking, well, that's wonderful, but I don't care about facial wrinkles. I care about my aching knees and swollen ankles. This is where most people miss the master design of human biology. Here is what mainstream health advice rarely advertises: the exact same structural protein matrix that keeps your skin firm, tight, and youthful is what lines your tendons, cushions your joint capsules, anchors your ligaments, and provides tensile strength to your connective tissues. Collagen is systemic. When your body's collagen production plummets globally, it doesn't just affect your face. It compromises every single joint capsule and connective tissue sheath from your hips down to your toes. As we age, internal collagen degradation starves these connective tissues of moisture, structural integrity, and elasticity. This starvation leads directly to joint friction, stiffness, and fluid pooling in the lower extremities. Regularly introducing food-grade aloe vera juice or gel into your daily nutritional routine provides a gentle, plant-powered catalyst that helps your body hold internal moisture, calm down cellular microirritation, and restore structural integrity to your lower limbs. It is a subtle, natural, and scientifically backed first step to easing daily leg discomfort. Moving forward in our countdown to number 9, broccoli. You can scour the globe, purchase the most expensive supplements on the market, and consume every protein source available. But your body cannot actually assemble a single strand of structural collagen without one vital, non-negotiable chemical trigger, vitamin C. Broccoli is an absolute masterclass in natural vitamin C density. Just one single cup of fresh or lightly steamed broccoli delivers nearly your entire daily recommended intake of this critical nutrient. To truly understand why this matters for your aching joints and swollen legs, imagine your body as a massive construction site trying desperately to repair a damaged, collapsing suspension bridge. Your body possesses the raw materials, the amino acids floating in your bloodstream. But without a master foreman on site, nothing gets built. Vitamin C acts as that master foreman. It is the essential chemical catalyst required to hydroxylate proline and lysine, which are the two critical amino acids that allow your body to lock individual collagen strands into a rigid, triple helix molecular structure. Without sufficient vitamin C circulating through your system, your body's internal collagen factories stall out completely, leaving your knees, ankles, and hips entirely vulnerable to wear, tear, and structural collapse. Furthermore, broccoli is heavily loaded with potent phytonutrients and antioxidants like sulforaphane, which actively hunt down and neutralize the inflammatory free radicals responsible for fluid retention and painful swelling in senior legs. Whether you toss it into a fresh salad, roast it with a touch of olive oil, or steam it gently, broccoli is a non-negotiable building block for your lower body. At number 8 on our comprehensive countdown, we arrive at a sweet, colorful favorite: berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are far more than just delicious, refreshing additions to a morning breakfast bowl. They are absolute biochemical powerhouses packed with both high-concentration vitamin C and some of the most potent anti-inflammatory compounds found anywhere in nature. Consider this biological reality. Just one cup of fresh strawberries packs roughly 100% of your daily vitamin C requirement, while raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries offer a massive supporting share of micronutrients. Because the human body completely lacks the genetic machinery and biological tools required to manufacture or store vitamin C on its own, daily dietary intake is mandatory if you want to keep your joints lubricated, resilient, and pain-free. A comprehensive clinical review published in Clinics in Dermatology emphasized how high antioxidant fruit consumption shields fragile connective tissues from environmental breakdown, oxidative stress, and premature cellular aging. When your body is fighting chronic, low-grade systemic inflammation, which is the hallmark of aging joints, your lymphatic drainage system often struggles to pump fluid efficiently upward against gravity from your lower legs. This circulatory struggle results in swollen, heavy, throbbing ankles by the time evening rolls around. Berries act as a natural, plant-based anti-inflammatory agent, helping to clear out that stagnant cellular fluid while feeding your internal collagen matrix the exact catalytic fuel it demands. Toss a handful onto your morning yogurt, blend them into a daily smoothie, or snack on them fresh by the handful. At number 7. We have a fascinating, highly surprising entry that catches many health-conscious people completely off guard: gelatin-based gummy candy. Now, before you rush out to the grocery store checkout lane and clear out the candy aisle, let's look very closely at the science, the nuance, and the crucial catch involved here. Most commercial candies are heavily saturated with refined cane sugars and artificial syrups that can trigger systemic inflammation if consumed carelessly. However, traditional gummy candies, when made properly and authentically, rely heavily on gelatin. What exactly is gelatin? Gelatin is essentially a partially hydrolyzed, broken-down form of animal collagen. When animal connective tissues, skins, and bones are boiled down slowly during industrial food processing, the complex, heavy triple helix collagen protein uncoils and breaks apart into smaller, much more digestible short-chain peptides. A 2021 peer-reviewed review published in the scientific journal Polymers highlights the fact that gelatin is exceptionally easy for the human digestive tract to break down, cross the intestinal barrier, and absorb rapidly into the bloodstream. This means that while candy should never serve as your primary health food, an occasional, controlled treat made with real animal gelatin can provide a quick, accessible structural amino acid boost for your connective tissues without requiring heavy digestion. A crucial warning: always read your ingredient labels with extreme care. Many modern, mass-market, or vegetarian candies use plant-based gelling agents like agar-agar or pectin instead of animal gelatin, which offers zero joint benefits whatsoever. If you choose a gelatin-based option, keep your portions tightly controlled to avoid excess sugar spikes, but enjoy the quick structural amino boost. At number 6 on our list, collagen-infused drinks. Over the last few years, the functional health and wellness market has exploded with specialized beverages, ranging from ready-to-drink collagen waters and sparkling tonics to targeted protein lattes and workout smoothies. For seniors or busy individuals looking to protect their joint mobility and reduce leg swelling without radically altering their daily kitchen routines, these beverages offer a seamless, effortless solution. The secret weapon inside these specialized drinks is hydrolyzed collagen, which is widely referred to in clinical literature as collagen peptides. Seminal research published in the journal Molecules explains that hydrolysis is an advanced enzymatic process that chops massive, complex, unwieldy collagen proteins down into tiny, low molecular weight peptide chains. Because these peptide chains are so minuscule, they bypass heavy human digestion almost entirely. They absorb rapidly through the intestinal wall, surging directly into your bloodstream within minutes. Once circulating in your vascular system, they home in magnetically on high-stress areas like your knees, hips, and spinal discs, acting as direct cellular signaling molecules that command your body to lay down fresh cartilage, repair microtears, and stabilize joint capsules. Whether you purchase ready-made collagen waters or stir an unflavored scoop of peptides into your morning coffee, tea, or water, the absolute key here is relentless consistency. It is a low-effort, high-efficiency way to armor your joints every single day. Coming in at number 5 on our ranked countdown, organ meats. Let's be completely honest with one another. Organ meats like liver, heart, kidneys, and tongue rarely win a popularity contest at your local supermarket butcher counter. In modern Western diets, we have largely abandoned the ancestral wisdom of nose-to-toe eating, preferring clean, lean muscle cuts of meat. But when it comes to ancestral nutrition, structural biology, and joint preservation, organ meats are an absolute hidden goldmine. As we human beings age, our bodies preferentially demand type 1 collagen to maintain structural integrity and tensile strength across our skin, tendons, blood vessel walls, and joint capsules. Organ meats naturally contain dense, concentrated reservoirs of this exact structural protein, alongside a rich, unmatched matrix of bioavailable heme iron, preformed vitamin A, vitamin B12, and vital trace minerals. For seniors dealing with chronic joint stiffness, grinding knees, and deep-seated structural wear and tear, integrating organ meats supplies the heavy-duty biological raw materials required for true tissue regeneration. If you aren't naturally a fan of the traditional taste or texture of liver on a dinner plate, you don't have to eat it plain. Modern culinary hacks make it remarkably simple. Finely ground liver can be seamlessly stirred into rich, slow-cooked beef stews, blended invisibly into hearty vegetable soups, or crafted into savory, spiced pâtés spreadable on whole grain toast. By embracing nose-to-toe nutrition just like our ancestors did, you provide your lower body with the number 4, sardines. Most people think of seafood only for protein, but marine collagen is packed densely into their tiny bones, skin, and scales. Because sardines are eaten whole, they provide a ready-made marine collagen delivery system. Combined with natural omega-3 fatty acids, they work simultaneously. The collagen repairs your structural cartilage while the omega-3s act as fire extinguishers, putting out the deep inflammation that causes your ankles to puff up after standing. They are cheap, canned, and an absolute game-changer for daily mobility. Number 3. Pork bone broth. Simmering pig bones and connective tissues for hours releases an immense concentration of gelatin and minerals. What makes pork bone broth uniquely powerful is biological compatibility. Porcine collagen closely resembles human collagen. Because your body recognizes it with high affinity, it utilizes it efficiently to patch up damaged tendons, cushion grinding joint bones, and soothe your gut lining while bringing relief to aching ankles. If you prefer solid food over supplements, Skin-On Chicken is a masterclass in joint support. Clinical research shows that specialized collagen peptides extracted from chicken cartilage improve tissue elasticity and flexibility. Leaving the skin intact during roasting or baking gives you a completely natural, food-first supply of structural protein to reverse stiffness and restore fluid movement. And standing proudly at the absolute number 1 spot, beef bone broth. Simmered for 12 to 24 hours, heavy cattle bones release an unmatched flood of type 1 and type 3 collagen alongside magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. It delivers pre-digested amino acids that reconstruct worn cartilage and restore healthy fluid dynamics in your lower extremities. Your body is constantly trying to heal itself. It just needs the right fuel. Start incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your routine today. Say goodbye to stubborn swelling and give your legs the strength they deserve. If you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button, check out the next video on your screen, and stay active. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes.